Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing operators and we learned different operators like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, bitwise operators and many more. Just for an example, here I'll write 5 plus 3 plus is a arithmetic operator, addition operator, and result is 8. It will add 2 operands and it will return the result. Next, let's take another example with multiple operators. Can you guess the output? Okay, let's see. It is 17. Why it is not 25? Why it is 17? If I add 2 plus 3 first and multiply that to 5, I'll get 25. Here in this expression, 3 multiply 5 is evaluated first, then the result is added to 2. Why? That is because in Python, operators have different level of precedence which determine the order in which they are evaluated. When multiple operators are present in an expression, the ones with higher precedence are evaluated first. Here in this example, we have two operators, plus and multiplication. And multiplication operator has higher precedence than the plus operator, addition operator. That is why this expression is evaluated first, then the result is added to 2. Here in this table, you can see different operator. It is in the descending order. It is ordered according to its precedence. Parenthesis has highest precedence here. Logical OR has lowest precedence here in this table. In this same example, if I use parenthesis like 2 plus 3, parenthesis like this, and result is 25 because parenthesis has highest precedence, so 2 plus 3 is evaluated first, then that result is multiplied with 5. So when we have an expression with multiple operators, the expression is evaluated based on the precedence of the operator. But what if we have an expression with multiple operators of same precedence? Just for an example, multiplication and division has same precedence. So if I write how this expression is evaluated, when multiple operators have the same precedence, associativity helps to determine the order of operations. Associativity is the order in which an expression is evaluated that has multiple operators of the same precedence. Most of the operators has left to right associativity. In this example, 5 multiply 8 is evaluated first. 40 truncated division 3 will get the result 13. Exponent operators has the right to left associativity. This is evaluated first, then it will evaluate this expression. Okay, so it is evaluated from right to left. Okay, so this is about precedence and associativity. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.